3 months ago I applied MX-7 paste on my RTX 3090, and in this video I'll share the results with you. Is it any good, and is it suitable for direct die application as the manufacturer claims? And of course we'll disassemble the card and check the paste footprint. Hey, you're on a Forter Fix channel. I repair graphics cards, gaming consoles and other stuff too. MX-7, a new thermal paste from Arctic that was released in December 2025. A few days later, I got my order from the official Arctic website and applied it to my RTX 3090. I'll leave a link to the original video in the description below. But why did I focus specifically on the direct die use case? The thing is, almost any paste will handle CPUs just fine, but on an open die, thermal pastes suffer from the pump-out effect. The larger and hotter the die, the more noticeable the effect will be. Here is how Thermal Grizzly Duronaut paste looked like after 3 months of use on this exact board. It was a complete disaster. There's a lot of empty areas in this footprint. Thermal paste was severely pumped out. Obviously, the paste isn't suitable for direct die usage, despite that's one of its selling pitches. That's exactly why such application can be considered a stress test for thermal pastes. I measure temperatures after 5 minutes of idle, after 5 minutes on 4 mark, and also after 4 runs of 3D mark, 2 of them to heat up the board and 2 more for measuring the average and max temps. Right after the application, the fresh paste performed pretty well. After a month, temperatures got higher, which is kinda expected due to drying out. After another month, temperatures rose again, but not as noticeably as after the first month. The main observation was the hotspot delta. It hadn't changed at all since the application. That gave me hope for a low pump-out effect. And now the 3rd month has passed. I'll be honest here, I was confused. The temperatures not only didn't go up, they became slightly lower. The same room, the same test bench, the same environment temperature. I've repeated the measurements 3 times, with half-hour breaks and turning off the bench to let it cool down. And now the most interesting part. Let's disassemble the card and look at the footprint. Originally, the paste was applied by spreading it manually with a special spatula. This is how the footprint looked like on the day of application. Of course, right after that, I applied a completely new layer. Well, I have to admit, it looks pretty okay. There is just one small empty area though, but it doesn't affect the hotspot in any way. The main central part still looks wet. The areas closer to the edges have a different texture, but they are still moist too. The corners look kinda okay. All this time the card was installed vertically, and it looks like the paste flowed downward. I suspect that with typical horizontal placement, the footprint would have looked even better. Well, let's sum it up. Arctic MX-7 is indeed a good paste. Temperatures are better than with its predecessors. It also seems to work well in direct die application, definitely better than Thermal Grizzly Duronaut. All in all, I can recommend it for use on CPUs, gaming consoles and low to mid-tier graphics cards. On top-tier graphics cards and laptops, the only consistent and reliable option so far is phase change materials. And that's it for today. I hope the video was useful. By the way, did you know that replacing a glitchy button in your favorite mouse is much easier than many people think? No, I mean really, and here is the video.